Hello! In this video, we'll teach you how to connect UC11-T1 to Ursalink Cloud. To start with, we need a checklist: one Ursalink Cloud account, one UC11-T1 sensor, and one Ursalink LoRaWAN gateway. Log into Ursalink Cloud, go to Gateway, add Ursalink Gateway by its serial number. Then go to My Devices, add device, enter the serial number of T1, and connect it with the gateway we just added, and click Add. Log into the web GUI of Gateway. Go to LoRaWAN, Packet Forwarder, General, disable Packet Forwarder mode. Then go to Network Server. Enable and choose Ursalink Cloud mode. Click Save and Apply. Now you can see the gateway is connected to Ursalink Cloud. Let's put a magnet close to the magnet logo on the device surface. After hearing beep for 2 seconds, T1 will be powered on, and it will join the LoRa network by default frequency settings. In this way, T1 is connected to Ursalink Cloud as well. Now you can view the device's status to see the temperature and humidity data visually. And in the basic settings, you can set the reporting interval, create temperature alarm, and change some other settings accordingly. For more detailed configuration, please refer to Ursalink UC11-T1 Quick Start Guide and User Guide.